It is great to see you all again at Wealthy Coins. This film is mandatory viewing for all Shiba Inu army members who possess 100,000 Shib tokens. Shib updates. The Shiba Inu cryptocurrency debuted in August 2020 and is based on memes. On the Ethereum network, it functions as a decentralized community-driven token. Elon Musk's tweet praising the coin caused its price to soar, and it subsequently garnered huge popularity. Investors can put little amounts of money into Shiba Inu and stand to gain a lot if its value increases because of its reputation for cheap worth. As of the most recent report, the number of token holders has likewise surpassed 1.28 million, indicating an increasing trend. An rising number of people are holding a Shib, which shows that the meme-inspired coin is becoming more popular. What follows is a video in which the Shiba Inu army is discussed. This video is a must-watch for anyone holding 100,000 Shib tokens. Shib updates. To stay updated on our latest material about Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. We will start the video without further ado. Shiba Inu, a cryptocurrency that takes its inspiration from memes, has been making waves in the cryptocurrency market and drawing in investors. The increasing interest in the coin is evident from the fact that the number of current Shib holders has reached 1.28 million, according to the latest data. As Shib gains more and more traction in the crypto community, its popularity is directly proportional to the number of holders. The coin's low value makes it an attractive investment option for anyone looking to make a big profit when its value increases. In the last 4 days, the number of Shib holders has been steadily rising, according to recent figures. The number of holders hit a low of 1,282,000 on April 4th. The current figure, however, is 1,285,000, up from the previous one. This would indicate that the number of Shib bearers has been relatively stable at roughly 1.28 million. Based on data from BN Crypto, the market valuation for Shiba Inu surged to $6.96 billion in the early hours of today's trading, before settling back down to its current $6.81 billion. At the same time as Shib's market cap rose, the meme coin's performance surpassed the market average for the past day. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and XRP were among the top assets that lost some value in the last 24 hours, contributing to a 0.3% fall in the total market cap for cryptocurrencies. The recent successes of the Shiba Inu community are responsible for their good performance. Shiborium, its Layer 2 network, debuted in March as PuppyNet, its beta edition. There was a surge from 4.05 million wallets connected to PuppyNet this weekend to 6 million, according to the data that is available. And as of this writing, the total number of transactions processed by the network has also topped 3.2 million. As a result of the enhanced Shibor burn rate, the high activity rate on Shiborium is beneficial to the token. According to Shibor burn, over 1.9 billion Shibor tokens have been destroyed in the past 7 days. Token burning, similar to stock buybacks, removes tokens from circulation and has the potential to increase the token's value. Therefore, Shibor is contributing to the increase in the price of cryptocurrencies. According to Into the Block, the number of Shiba Inu dogs owned by long-term owners has surpassed 835,780. The numbers show that these addresses currently comprise 67% of all meme currency holders. This shows that more and more people are starting to perceive digital assets as something worth investing in for the long haul. There was a stampede to buy Doge and shitcoins after Twitter's logo change sparked excitement in the cryptocurrency market. Shiba Inu's price hiked a whopping 30% in just 1 hour, following Doge's meteoric rise in value. The tight correlation between Dogecoin and Shiba Inu price movements is illustrated by this new development. Both coins have become popular in the meme token market and have a similar origin story. Furthermore, because of their shared community and social media presence, developments in one coin might have a substantial effect on the other. As a result of the Doge effect, the value of Shiba Inu has skyrocketed. That show how the market for cryptocurrencies is affected by social media and communities. Shiba Inu quickly became one of the most well-known meme currencies for a number of reasons. Even if the asset's value has dropped recently, many made a ton of money off of its price fluctuations in 2021. In fact, some even left their employment after reaping such large returns on such small investments. There is still a lot of interest in the 2021 story of the truck driver who made $1.7 million with Shiba Inus. A truck driver quit his job in May 2021 after becoming wealthy with meme coin. The driver becomes a billionaire after investing $670 2020. In 2020 and 2021, he made a ton of money, quit his job, and finally achieved his financial dreams. The driver opted to stay nameless, but his boss came forward to offer his congratulations. That was the driver's decision based on safety concerns. However, the employer took to Twitter to announce that one of its drivers had resigned due to his $1.7 million in cryptocurrency gains and a $670 investment. Good gentleman, father of many. It makes no difference. It will continue to enrage the $500,000 a year bankers and lawyers. Shiba Inu reached a peak of 0.03468 in May 2021. An all-time high of 0.08845 was quickly achieved by the meme coin in October 2021. This idea, though, was short-lived. The current positive market attitude is largely responsible for the most recent increase. Having said that, the Shiba Inu's value has remained unchanged for considerable periods. Since its all-time peak, the meme coin has fallen 87.25%. The asset certainly made a lot of money for its owners, but it's not the same anymore. About 62% of meme coin holders lost money according to Into the Block. At the present price of Shiba Inus, only a tender 33% were making a profit. Despite Shiba's present price slump, the market remains hopeful due to past success tales. There are a lot of exciting new initiatives popping up in the cryptocurrency sector. The worldwide rating of many blockchain projects is visible. Shiba Inu is one such example. It just surpassed Binance's stablecoin BUSD. With a market valuation just $1 million greater than BUSD, the Shiba coin moves up one spot to 13th position. With a 24-hour trading volume of almost $322 million, the meme coin is clearly on an upward trend, which should lead to further price increases. In the past week, the price of Shiba has increased by 4.93%, and in the past 30 days it has increased by 6.36%. As of this writing, CoinMarketCap has a valuation of $6.7 billion, putting it in first place, while Binance USD is closing in on $6.6 billion, putting it in second place. Technical indications for digital assets suggest the asset might be about to go on an encouraging rising surge. The asset is currently trading at a price that is higher than its 50-day moving average, which is $0.0. The 200-day MA indicator price, which is $0 or 164 cents, further supports this upward trend. After the FTX disaster, which caused a steep decline for all cryptocurrencies, the coin had its most recent massive dump. According to other technical indicators, the Shiba Inu ecosystem might be ripe for investment right now. With an indication score of 52.61 on its relative strength index, the Dogecoin killer is presently trading in the underbought sector. Those looking to ride the market up can purchase Shiba. Similarly, the blue trendline is pushing upwards according to the moving average convergence divergence MACD, following a nosedive a few days ago. So long as the purchase signal is not completely reinforced just yet, this could easily turn into the sell zone. Following this week's announcement about the Shibuya metaverse, a number of whale activities within the Shiba community have subsequently boosted the value of their token. The stakes of a massive crypto investor in the Shiba Inu digital token, which is based on memes, have grown to nearly 5 trillion tokens. They did this by purchasing an additional 171.68 billion Shiba in 4 separate deals, costing around 1.88 million. Many believe this may have had an impact on the rise of the coin's market capitalization. It should be mentioned that the big buy happened just a few hours prior to the Shiba Terum announcement. A ruckus in the Shiba group and the cryptocurrency market has resulted from this decision, which may indicate insider information. Shiba Terum is an idea based on the Shiba Inu that will provide blockchain-based virtual real estate, games, and non-fungible assets in the metaverse. So concludes today's activities. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up.